Hi friends, welcome back to my video. And this is the jasmine plants, and these are the jasmine flowers, and this is the jasmine leaves, and these are the withered flowers, and these are the dried withered flowers, and these are the dry flowers. And you can see the birds are starting to bloom in into flowers, and these are the jasmine flowers, and these are the small birds, and one bird is starting to bloom, and there are so many lovely jasmine flowers. The jasmine flower smells is nice, and the leaves are smooth. This is a bush of jasmine flowers. Bye friends, please like and share to my video. Bye.